What's going on, traders? Another day, another dollar. How many of you want to get started in investing in the Forex market? You see these lines I'm drawing? Those are called resistance levels. And in the next 45 seconds, I'll show you how I've taught hundreds of members to trade in the Forex market successfully. This currency pair is USD JPY, the yen, and as you can see, it has an overall support at 1150, and as you can see again, it bounced at that same 1150 support. That is called technical trading. There's no investment that is ever 100% guaranteed. With that being said, I'm calculating the potential for profit that this currency has to offer compared to the potential for loss. I'm calculating to see if the investment is worth taking. One of the great things about day trading secrets is that not only do we go for profit, but we always manage our risk. The only way that we can grow our account is if we have some form of risk management, which leads to consistent profits. That makes sense, right? Now, calling currencies out is the easy part. I make it my mission in day trading secrets to help each and every single member identify potential, plan out their trade, and profit off of every currency that they choose to take advantage of. Gotta go, team. Gotta make that money.